Applications of Photoshop. Photoshop is an image editing software. In the beginning, Photoshop was used only for photo editing. But now this is being used in the field of multimedia for many purposes. Now, Photoshop is not only used for photo editing, it is also being used for graphic designing, photo retouching, color correction, photo compositing, web designing, motion graphics, and also for visual effects. Photoshop plays a vital role in each and every field that is linked up with media. So, it is considered as an essential element of multimedia software packages. Role of Photoshop in printing. Even though Photoshop is an image editing software, it is also used in graphic designing. In the latest version of Photoshop, it is developed with tools which are more useful for typing and designing. By using Photoshop, we can make brochures, pamphlets, banners, billboards, cover pages, etc. All sorts of multicolored designing work can be done so conveniently with Photoshop. Role of Photoshop in web designing. In the process of web designing, different objects like buttons, banners, images and backgrounds are to be made. We can make use of Photoshop to develop all this. In Photoshop, we have the option like adding animations, so we can make our websites animated. Role of Photoshop in motion graphics and visual effects. The shapes, drawings, backgrounds that are required for designing motion graphics and visual effects, we can make use of Photoshop. Photoshop plays a major role also in animation. We can design the backgrounds used in 2D and 3D animations. For creating the textures of an object for 3D animation, we can make use of Photoshop. So in this way, Photoshop plays its vital role in every field of multimedia.